Avenue. Navigating Avenue courses. There are two ways to navigate a course. The first is the course index drawer. The second is the page context navigation bar. Let's look at the course index first. The course index is the collapsible drawer on the left side of the screen. First, click on the Open Course Index button in the top left corner of a course to open the course index. The course index drawer opens. It displays course sections and elements. As you scroll through the central course area, your location is highlighted in the course index. Clicking on an item in the course index will open it directly in the central course area. Click on a section name in the course index drawer. Please note, the current location is highlighted in the course index drawer, and the section appears in the central course area. Click on the Course Index Options icon. The Course Index Options drop-down menu appears. Click on Expand All to display every item in all sections. Click on Collapse All to show only the section titles. To create more space on the screen, collapse the course index drawer by clicking on the Close Course Index icon. The course index drawer closes. Now let's look at the Page Context navigation bar. The Page Context navigation bar provides quick links that show your location in the course. It is like a horizontal map. The Page Context navigation bar shows the user's current location path, with links to higher-level contexts. The navigation bar is sometimes referred to as the breadcrumbs menu. Please note, when a course first opens, the Page Context navigation bar is not visible, while the course navigation menu is visible. Let's click on a section in the course. The Page Context navigation bar appears above the course title, and the course navigation menu is now hidden. Now let's click on one of the course activities. The activity page opens, and the active activity is reflected in the Page Context navigation bar at the top of the course page. Now we can click on the course name link in the Page Context navigation bar to go back to the course home page.